Chris here from Balance Central. Are you an introvert? I am. Now, often I'm mistaken to be extroverted because I have blue in my hair and I wear florally dresses. And that is my personality. But truly, what it is to be an introvert comes from where I get my energy from. So if you are someone who likes your own four walls, you like structure and you like to be planned, then you are probably in the introvert category. Now, that does not mean that you cannot be extroverted in your personality. It's just about where your energy is coming from. You know, something else about introverts that I love the most is how thoughtful they are. They usually take just that little bit longer to think about what they're going to say. Now that sometimes makes them appear to be hesitant or shy, but really, they're just getting their energy together before speaking.